Hello everybody, this is Fran Melo, and on this video I'll be showing you how to create a workflow to get your guests in one of your episodes. And in this workflow, there might be a little bit of setup right at the beginning, but once you have it all set up, everything else should be easy breezy. And that's just one of the workflows you can have with Northflow. Alrighty, so let's dive right into it. So these are all the shows that I manage right now, and they're all pretend show for the sake of this video. So I'm going to pick this one as the ocean sailing. And the first thing I would do is I'm going to create a form. And in this form, I'm going to ask for all the information I want my guest to provide. So I'm going to go ahead and create new form. I'm going to call it guest intake right there. And as I create this form, I could choose all sorts of things that I could ask my guest to provide, such as files, email, and all of that. But since I know I will be attaching this form with a calendar link, and the calendar link already asks for an email and a name, I'm not going to include those two things into this form. I'm just going to include anything else, such as I want more description, more details about you. Maybe I want to ask for a file, like a headshot, an image, or anything like that. So in this case, I'm just going to ask for one thing, just for the sake of this video, which is I'm going to call it description. So I'm going to click here. I'm going to call is description, and here I'm going to say tell me more about you, and I'm going to make this mandatory. So I'm going to save this already. I'll save it. The next thing I will do is I will publish it to make sure it is online so that my guest can fill it out. The next thing I would do is I'm going to calendar, and I will create a calendar for the guest to go into that calendar and book a time with me. So I'm going to call this guest interview, and I can enter some description, test or demo. And I will choose the duration. I will go ahead also choose the availability. Now I'm going to attach Tally to this, so every single time we have an appointment with this calendar, she will also receive an invite. And I am going to choose the form we just created to be attached to this calendar. So the name of the form is guest intake, so I'll go ahead and attach it and create the link. Now, I just realized that I forgot to do one thing with the form. So I'm going to go back into the form section, and I am going to edit the form. Go click here, edit, and in here I will go into configuration, and I will type a thank you message. Thank you for booking. And I will also do the next thing, which is create an episode. Every single time somebody fills out this form, I want to create an episode, and I will choose a template that has all the tasks related to this kind of episode. So I'm going to check this box, and then I'll check which template. In this case, I'll just use the Northflow default template. And so I will save this, and I will go back to my calendar because I created a calendar and I attached it to the form. So with that, I can copy the link and share this with my guest. Now, switching gears, I'm going to go ahead and copy the link for this calendar, and I will access this link as if I was the guest, and I will book an appointment, or I will book the interview. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now that I'm into the calendar, I will choose the 10th, and I will pick 9:30 next. And then from here, as you can see, this is the field we created for the form we created, and this are the fields that are default for the calendar. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out this calendar form, and I will fill out the field, which again, it could be a file, can request a file, more details, whatever that might be, you can have it here. So I'm going to say there's testing and demoing. All right, so schedule. And what this is going to do, now going back as the admin of my account, what this is going to do, it's basically going to create the appointment, and it's also going to create a response for that form, and will also create the episode in my account with the template we've chosen. So the episode is right here, and it's called New Episode by Forms. So I can click here, and I can change the name, and as you can see, all the tasks in this template will already be here, and I already have those tasks already laid out the way I want. This is a huge template that we created as an example, and I can, funny enough, I can now go in here, and I can attach that person or the contact or the guest to one of these tasks. If there's more things they need to do, they'll receive an email, they'll be able to work on those tasks and basically have it all done without having to log in or doing anything else. They just receive an email and they go through the flow from there. I can also go into calendar, and I will go into this specific calendar that we created, and I can go into bookings. I can see it here. I can click on the event itself, and you can see the information there. Or I can go into forms, and inside forms, I can click on this specific form. Let's go and say edit. And from here, I can click on responses, and I can see this response is already here. I can see more details where I can see the full detail on this form. And here on the episode itself, I can do whatever else I need to do to make sure this episode will be launched in time. Cool. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions, as always, count on us. We'll be here to help. Thank you. Bye-bye.